What's up, Otaku Nation? I'm Assman420, and I'm here with you today. Alex, shut the fuck up. I'm here to... Shut up, Aaron. I'm here today to do a Rock Band Rivals Jaguar Bundle PS4 unboxing. Now, we got this 5 months before it came out for the Nintendo Switch. And today I'm going to give you an exclusive unboxing, never before seen. So let's take a look at this box over here. Cardboard. New as heck. It's rated T for T, and that's how you know it's edgy. It's got a really nice design on it. Very much of a classic era design. Let's see what it says over here. And it comes with the game too. How much better can this get? And there's the sides of the box. Alright, well. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, where's the game?